Who forgets to bring a lantern on a night hike? Where'd that come from? And another one? Jessica, I know I shouldn't be surprised you're here, but you came out of nowhere.
Well, Jim, you should know by now, I appear where I am needed, and I am here to shed some light on your situation.
I see what you did there. Well, while you're here, do you want to join me on a night hike adventure?
I'd already planned on it, but thanks for asking.
Hi, I'm Jim Duby with the Seminole County Greenways and Natural Lands Division, and we're back at the Geneva Wilderness Area for a very special adventure. This time we're going out at night. The properties aren't open at night, so you can't come at night unless you're on one of our guided night hikes. If you're ready to go, I'll bet it'll be a hoot. So Jess, you can see it's starting to get dark. What do you call this time of day?
Dusk?
Dusk. So have you heard of nocturnal animals?
I have.
They come out at night.
Mm-hmm.
What do you call animals that come out during the day? Diurnal.
Diurnal, that's
And then
right.
the coolest one is the ones that are active at dawn and dusk. It's called crepuscular.
Crepuscular, okay,
So
that sounds
right
like
now
an infection.
It does. So right now we're on the lookout for crepuscular critters.
All right, cool.
Boy, it's a pretty night, isn't it?
It is. Oh my gosh.
What?
That's a snake.
Oh. Ah! Up until a couple of years ago, that was a yellow rat snake. Now they've changed it. It's called an eastern rat snake. They're also locally called chicken snake.
Do they eat chickens?
They eat chicken eggs and little baby chicks.
Aw.
But they're very arboreal.
Oh, I don't. That's a fancy word.
Arbor Day, trees.
Oh.
They like to climb in trees.
They like the trees, all right.
So when one this size, he's probably up there looking for lizards
Mm-hmm.
and tree frogs, and he would be crepuscular. Good spot.
Thanks. I learned from the best.
There he goes.
Well, that was a cool snake, and it definitely got dark out here really quickly.
It sure did, but I'm glad you brought these along.
I did. Let's turn them on.
This is Frog Calls 101.
All right.
So we're hearing 3 different species right now. There's one that sounds like taking 2 marbles and hitting them together.
Mm-hmm.
Gick, 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 gick. That's a little cricket frog.
Okay.
Then there's a loud, deep kind of a grunt. That's a pig frog. Hence the grunting. And then the last one's kind of a chattering. Sounds, what I always thought as a kid was a raccoon, but
Yeah.
it's the leopard frog.
Oh.
Yeah.
Awesome.
They make a chattering call, and they make a call that sounds like you're taking your hand and rubbing it across the balloon.
Are you gonna demonstrate that for me?
I don't have a balloon.
Oh, okay. Well, dang it.
Nice try.
Okay.
Jess, the best way to see eyes, whether it's spiders or something else, is to have a headlamp
Okay.
or hold a flashlight right up next to your eyes.
Got it.
All right, so if we look around and scan around, oh, there's a spider right there. You see the shine?
Oh my gosh, yes, it's so
All right.
big.
And you got to keep the kind of keep the
All
light
right.
trained on it. And there it is. That's a wolf spider.
Ew! Oh my gosh, that's crazy. I didn't know their eyes lit up like that. That's really spooky.
And you saw that was just one of many.
Yeah, there
On the
was
trail.
like it was like glitter, but not in a cute way.
I think this is a good spot to try the owl calls.
All right.
And we're going to use your phone because owl calls on a flip phone don't work very well.
Are you sure? Okay. All right. Let me get it out.
Google Eastern Screech Owl calls,
Mhm.
and we'll play it for a while, and then we'll shut it down, and then we'll see if we get any answers.
All right. Well, I think I found one. Hopefully, this is the right one. Oh my gosh.
Did you hear that?
I did. Where did it come
Right
from?
over here somewhere.
Okay. I
Turn my
can't see
headlamp on.
anything.
No, I can hear him, but I can't see him.
Oh man. Well, I'm sure he can see us.
I'll bet he's watching us.
I'll bet he is. Let's keep going. See what else there is to see or what can see us. What is that?
This is a night scope.
Oh.
So this does for us what a nocturnal animal's eyes do.
Okay.
It gathers what little light there is and reflects it back. so that we can see it in the dark.
That is so cool.
Give it a try.
Okay. Hold that for me. Oh, wow. That's crazy.
Now I'm going to turn the light off.
Oh my gosh, you look scary. I can't see you. Yeah, this is so cool.
All right, if you're done playing with the night scope, it's time for us to move on.
I guess so.
So we're in another familiar place,
Yep.
the Ed Yarborough Nature Center.
Yes, your home.
And on the front porch, I've set up some black lights and a sheet to attract moths and beetles.
Ooh.
All right, I'm going to turn my headlamp on. See that moth there?
Wow, he's pretty.
A little moth and lots of beetles.
Lots of beetles.
Now I'm going to ask you a trick question.
Okay.
Do you know what group of animals has the most species?
Would it be a beetle?
Beetles.
Oh, wow.
Over 300,000 types of beetles.
Oh my gosh. I had no
Worldwide.
idea.
Worldwide.
That's crazy.
Oh, and look at this. Pretty good sized Cuban tree frog.
Ew, I don't even want to get close to it.
So the frog is,
Especially he's gonna eat that beetle, isn't he?
he's going to eat the beetles, the moths,
Ugh.
whatever he can get. Maybe it's time we make like these guys and bug off.
You know what, Jim? I think that's a great idea. I know it's past your bedtime, but this has been a really cool experience. I definitely see the appeal of it, seeing things that you wouldn't normally see in the daytime. Well, it's been great, Jim. I'll send you off with a high five.
Okay. Thanks,
And
Jessica.
I'm also going to take this because I
You're-
paid money for that. So
Oh.
bye.
How
See
am
you
I
next
supposed to get
time.
out?